La la. This just looks too good. I just want you as a consumer to know it's just not true. Y'all see how that just like... Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a Lancôme concealer review. I'm so blessed and thankful that Lancôme sent me a package. They wanted me to review their Lancôme Ton Idole Ultra Wear all over concealers, which I did, as you guys can see. If you guys want to see how they wore, how they applied, and my overall thoughts, then keep on watching. Woof! Okay, y'all. So before we get to the concealers, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, meaning my eyebrows and my eyes. Since I always just do a plain brown, I'm sort of feeling like doing something a little bit more fun. I have this cute green blouse on, so I just feel like I want to play with some color today. If you know me, you know that I swear by Too Faced, Tarte, and Milani concealers. Those are like my three favorite concealers, both high-end and drugstore. So I'm really excited to put these to the test and see how they perform. So the hair's out of the face. I look like a little nun right now, but this is a closure wig, so I can't really behind the ears. I'm gonna do everything the same. Like, I'm not gonna do anything different. I want to see how... I think I'm out. Wait, no, I'm not out. Always open your containers before you throw them away, girl. Okay, we need to save. In this economy, I'm not throwing nothing out. So next I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've been really liking a moisturizer and then a primer afterwards, so I'm just gonna moisturize with this. So we have our serum, our moisturizer, and then a primer, just to make sure that my skin is really juicy. I'm focusing the moisturizer and the primer under my eyes too, because I want to make sure I have a beautiful canvas for this concealer to perform well. So last is e.l.f. Okay. So today we're going to be dipping into the Nude Persuasion palette by Bolive Beauty. Yeah, I'm going to dip into the shade Suntan, and I'm just going to fluff that into my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. A lot of my clients have been booking color recently, which has like warmed my heart, because if you follow me on my makeup page, you know I literally only do nakeds and soft glams. And not that that's all I know how to do, that's just what people book me for. So I'm really happy that I've been getting a lot more like color and like things to play with, just because it can get a little boring as a creative when you're doing the same thing over and over again. And it's making me want to, you know, do more colorful looks on myself even. So that's what I feel like I'm gonna do today. Nothing drastic, because I'm still Charmaine. Like, I'm gonna still be myself. I'm gonna go into the shade Caramel, which is this deeper brown right here, just right on my crease. I'm gonna go into the shade Chocolat. I wonder if she's Haitian. And Jogo, la la. Put that like right in my outer corner. I'm going to be taking is the shades Sand and Peachy, which are these nice nude shades, especially for like my skin tone and deeper. So the next thing I'm going to do is my liner. So they have this really pretty like baby pink right here, so I'm just gonna dip into that and go right on top of my inner corner right here, to make it a bit more. Yeah, I like her. I like her. Okay, so now that the eyes and eyebrows are done, I'm just gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna be doing the e.l.f. Halo Glow with the Mario Surreal Skin, and I'll be back with my foundation on so we can get into these concealers. Okay, so realizing that I got a little darker, so I do feel like this is like, she's light, she's a little light. Definitely gonna be adding a lot of bronzer and contour to not look crazy. Okay, so we're gonna open up our concealers. She feels hefty. It's the shade 320, so this is gonna be my brightening shade. It's definitely very bright, and I'm already very bright, so we're not gonna use a lot of this color. Then we have 410, so this is probably just like my regular concealer shade. Then I have 495 Suede, which is supposed to be my contour bronzy color to me. So I'm gonna start off with 410, which is gonna be my concealer shade. Oops. So she has a nice, like, it's like a suction, so it takes a little, yank to get her out. I'm just gonna place her how I would. Ooh, she's smooth. It says it's full coverage, so low-key I don't want to add too much. I'm gonna just be honest, this feels really good. Like, it just feels really light. I'm gonna go in with a brush. This is beautiful. This looks really good. Are we gonna do a wear test with this one? I'm not sure. I'll probably do a wear test another day because I have to go to church later. I don't really feel like having a full face on at church. It blends out so seamlessly, y'all. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with the color Suede. Definitely like a bronzer shade for me. I wouldn't say contour. I'm gonna go in with this stippling brush. I'm just gonna blend this out. It's just sitting so nicely on my skin. Y'all see how that just like, y'all, this is blending. Okay, this is blending beautifully. This just looks too good. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush like this and just go on the sides of my nose. Hit that edge with your concealer blush and it will actually help blend the line for you, so it's not as, see how it's not as harsh as this one. Yeah, super cute, super cute. The little paper said no creasing and no settling into fine lines. And I don't blame them because, you know, marketing, whatever, but I just want you as a consumer to know it's just not true. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, expose myself just a little bit, you know. So as y'all can see, like the settling of my fine lines right here and right here, it's natural. It's natural. It's okay. It's okay. Now let's back up. You can back up a little bit. You can back up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the shade 320, or the way lighter shade. This is gonna be our brightening shade. I'm only gonna do a dot. And the fact that it's on top of each other, like, I could scream right now. Looks so good. Yeah, this is blending out super nice, and I love a bright under eye. You know, you know. If you know, you know. I'm a get the London look type of girl. So okay, let's get to setting, because this is where we really see what's tea. Yeah, we have one side and then Miss Laura. I'm trying to decide what type of girl I want to be. I think we're gonna do one side. If you guys have watched my tutorials before, it's I preset, which is just like a really light layer of powder. I get those fine lines. I'm never gonna set the fine lines. I know that they're gonna be there, but I always blend them out before I set. I'm just gonna look all the way up and push that product in. And by presetting, I'm pushing the product in until it literally looks like my skin. Filter. Normal, like, and this is just powder, y'all. Do the same step. If you follow my steps, you're gonna eat. I'm really like pushing. I'm pushing. Yeah, I literally look like I have a filter on. We're gonna set the rest of the face. Setting powder, I only set the top of my lip. I only set my T-zone with setting powder, and the rest gets set with a pressed powder. If you are not using a pressed powder, you're just not doing it right. It's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look together. I don't know. The minute I added a pressed powder into my life, my credit score went up. I got a new house. I got a yacht. Adding a pressed powder just changes your life. I don't know what to tell you. So for face powders, I use the One Size Beauty and Sephora Micro Smooth. I use the both of them. My summer shade, which I clearly need because y'all can see it matches. So you guys can see I'm bringing color back to my face with this. Much needed color. I also always go over my cream bronzer or a cream contour with this powder. It just makes everything look a lot more smooth. The only place I'm not putting it is my under eye. So even though I have like that thin layer, I still get a little bake in just to make everything super bright. It's just the type of girl you are. Yes. Taking the two colors. And I like to smile. See that cheekbone? So next up is blush. I'm gonna add this. I'm just such a girl. Like, I love being a woman. I just don't think men will ever understand the excitement a woman has to like a really good blush. So I'm gonna be doing the one size to dust away our bake. I don't want to look choppy and chunky. I'd be so happy. So I take the same color powder to dust away my bake. Nice. So once the face is on, we spray. This is the first spray. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with my bronzers on my nose as well as blush. Blush is the first product to leave your face. We're gonna go into highlighter. I used the Natasha Denona Rose Cheek Duo. It really looks like glass. It's a beautiful like wet. The texture itself of the highlighter actually is wet, which is really cool. It looks wet. It's like really, really pretty. Gorgeous. So we're gonna go back in with that pink from the Bolive Butte palette. I want the pink to be like a standout. Yeah. Cute. So for lips, I do two things. I do a basic color, like this brown color here. And I always overline. So this is BFF3. And then I go on with like a darker brown. Use a eyeliner, like a dark brown eyeliner. And I just go over top, just the top part, like just the top one. We're going in with the Sephora number 32 liquid lipstick. Just a really nice nude. I used the Milk and Honey from the NYX Milky collection. It's just again another nude. Nude. Then I finish off with the Too Faced lip injection on my outer corners. It's really glossy, and this is just gonna give my lips a nice plump. Let's put it. Period. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm just gonna curl it, and I'll be right back because this is a mess. Yeah, this is a mess. Alright, so I'll be back with my hair curled, and we will give our final thoughts. Alright, so we're all curled now. I feel so pretty. I feel really good. I just did really loose curls, like not too much on them. Let's do our final review. I was given 3 concealers by Lancôme. This is their Ton Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. They gave me a brightening concealer, a normal color concealer, as well as a bronzer. Overall, I would rate these a 9 out of 10. I genuinely loved the coverage that it gave me. It was really smooth going on. I saw that it says 24-hour wears. I'll let you guys know how I like it, maybe in another video, as I continue to wear this throughout the week. I'm going to try to substitute this concealer for my Too Faced just so I can get a real review. But other than that, I feel gorgeous. I feel full glam, but not, you know, anything crazy. I feel really good. It layered beautifully. When the lighter color went on top of the original color, there wasn't any bunching or anything crazy. This blended beautifully as a bronzer. As you guys can see, I'm bronze, but it just went really well with the Mario foundation. I would say definitely this is a try. Also, the packaging just feels very luxury. It's a little bit heavier, but it is a really nice applicator. It's very thick. It reminds me of the Too Faced one just a little bit. So you definitely could use a little bit of product just because it is so big. You could just do a one swipe. It definitely is full coverage, as you guys saw. So I really like this. These are going for $29 at Ulta Sephora. So for $29, these are a little expensive, but I think Too Faced is going for $30 something, and I think Tarte has been up there as well. So it's playing in the same field of pricing in terms of high-end concealer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what's your favorite concealer right now, high-end, low-end, whatever it is. I would love to know in the comments. If you are a company looking to send me some products to review, definitely email me down below and I will send you guys some information about my PO box so that way I can receive the products and record them for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!